Yes, I know, I need to wake up early. I know, I know, everybody knows that we need to wake up early to become a little bit more successful in this business. I know, but the question that I get is that, well, it's easier said than done, Taco, because I go to bed very late and I cannot wake up in the morning. Okay, I get it. It's not easy to wake up in the morning, especially if you're not really a morning person. But here's the thing, it's really proven that if you wake up a little bit early than your competitor, then you simply are way ahead of everybody else. So if you wake up a little bit early and you do the difficult stuff, what you're supposed to do, then you're just so much ahead. Remember back in the days, that everybody had to start at the same time at school. When you do a race, everybody has to start when the referee whistles, right? In so many ways, people tell you that we all have to start at the same time, except waking up in the morning, because that is where you can have a head start. You are allowed to start earlier than your competitors. So if you're allowed to start earlier than the competitors, why are you not doing it? And of course, it's not easy. It can be difficult, yeah, especially if you go to bed very late. So let me give you just 3 very simple tips in how you can wake up a little bit earlier. Tip number 1. Go to bed earlier. Well, duh. Of course, go to bed earlier. But again, this is a very simple fact. If you go to bed earlier, you get enough sleep and you can also wake up earlier. It's a very simple thing and it will just take you a couple of days to really get used to it. I mean, it's not that important that you stay watching Netflix. It's not that important that you just keep up very late, because the most important things are done in the morning. You are very productive and you can get started. Tip number 2. Don't eat too much or have too much activities in the late evening, so that your body gets the opportunity to calm down, to rest, get tired, and then go to bed. And then again, you will be much more productive in the next morning. And tip number 3, and this is really my most favorite tip, plan or schedule early meetings in the morning so that you have some accountability. If you plan your first meeting at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m., that means that you already have to wake up early to get to the appointment. So again, then you are kind of forced to wake up a little bit earlier, what brings you to the appointment, and that also can get you started in an early way. So again, Coach Taco is not telling you that waking up early is easy, but it is telling you it can make a huge difference in your productivity, in your performance, and getting ahead from your competitor. So, see you tomorrow, 5 a.m.